Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Elementor Pro. First, ensure both the free Elementor plugin and the Elementor Pro plugin are installed and activated on your WordPress website. You will also need your unique Elementor Pro license key, which you can find in your Elementor account dashboard. This key is essential for activating all the premium features. Once you have these ready, we can proceed to the next step in your WordPress admin area. To activate your Elementor Pro license, navigate to the Elementor menu in your WordPress dashboard, then select License. Here, you will find a field where you can paste the license key you obtained from your Elementor account. After pasting the key, simply click the Activate button. This action connects your website to your Elementor Pro subscription, unlocking all the advanced design capabilities and widgets. After clicking Activate, verify that your license status now displays as active. This confirms a successful connection. You can then open any page or post with Elementor to observe the expanded set of Pro widgets and templates available in the editor. Additionally, explore the powerful theme builder, allowing you to design custom headers, footers, and single post layouts, giving you complete control over your site's appearance. If you encounter any issues, such as Pro features not appearing, try clearing your website's cache. It is also crucial to keep your WordPress core, Elementor, and Elementor Pro plugins updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and security. Should you face persistent activation problems, Elementor's dedicated support team is readily available to assist you, ensuring a smooth and efficient setup process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.